Chavez. Andaya to foul. Jersey number 17. Foul. Warning to penalty. First personal foul. Warning to penalty. Yes, good for 1 point. Velasco. Through Mahala, jump shot niya. No, good rebound by Mahala again. Umikot. Jersey number 14. Sancho. Yes, good for 2 point. Velasco. Pass break to Mahala. Tumira. Yes, good for 2 point. Mahala. Jersey number 22. 22. Jersey number 9 to Vergara for 3. No, rebound by foul. Jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 foul. Second team foul. Chavez. Check by Vergara to Pancho. Blanco to Chavez. Chavez bumalik-balik. No good. Diba by Chavez again. Save ball. Chavez. Simpson. To jersey number 22, jump shot. Board shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 22. To Vergara. Yes, goes for 2 point. Vergara. Ang dami mong pants dito. Vergara. Jersey number 9. One foul. Jersey number 17. Penalty na tayo pa. Jersey number 17. Foul. Second team foul. Penalty. Second personal foul. Penalty. Yes, good for 1. Andaya. Chavez. Mala. Sinalip. No good. Traveling violation. Jersey number 22. Pass break to jersey number 20. To make. Tolentino. Yes. Sorry po. Jersey number 20 na lang. Yes, good for 2 point. Jersey number 23. Constantino. Kabot mo. Chavez for 3 point. No good. Rebound by foul. Jersey number 22. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Change 5 po. Pag-webay na spiritual lang yung isa. Penalty po. Walang tira ni Constantino. Constantino. No good. Pangalawang tira. Jersey number 20. Tolentino daw para makashoot. Ay, nag-airball. Jersey number 31, Dayan. Foul, jersey number 40. 5-0 pala, sorry. Jersey number 50, Aguilar. Foul. Third personal foul. Third team foul. No good. Rebound by Dayan again. Dumukot again. Warning to penalty. Warning to graduate. Jersey number 15. 4 personal foul. 4 team foul. Yes, good one. Dayan. Jersey number 31. Yes, good for 2 points. Dayan. Aguilar. Dayan. Dayan. Jersey number 31. Blocked by jersey number 7. Blocked by jersey number 7. Ang oras na ay alas 7:23. Hatid ng Comico. Block. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 7 to jersey number 12. Lumea. Foul. Jersey number 24. Penalty. Jersey number 24. Foul. First personal foul. Penalty. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Aguilar, unang tira. No good. Pangalawang tira ni Aguilar. No good. Rebound by same ball. Bola ng blue jersey. Tolentino. Tolentino to jersey number 84. 40. No good. Rebound by Sniper. No good. To jersey number 12. To jersey number 10. Angay, bumali-bali, block by Tolentino. Check by Dayan. Dayan. To the Sniper. 4 shot. Yes, go shoot. Napaka-usay talaga din the Sniper. Diamond! Back to the ball game. Joke lang. Last 15 to shoot. Shot lang. Umikot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. To make. Yes. Good for 2 points. Napakalapit naman ang fake nun. The big news kami, jersey number 21. Jersey number Tolentino. Foul. Mateo. Jersey number 9. Foul. Second personal foul. Penalty. Yes, 1. Kanina ba jersey number 10 to jersey number 15 sa ilalim. Jump ball. Bola ng blue. Bola po ng blue. Blue ball po. Blue ball. Blue jersey po. Ang bola. Dayan. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. To jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Para sa Dayan. Umikot. Blocking foul. Jersey number 28. Foul. Penalty mo tayo, Rep. Penalty mo tayo. Same team po, both team po, both team. Penalty po. Perol. Jersey number 7. Tumira. Lumabas ang tira. 2 minutes and 41 seconds for the third quarter. No good. Rebound by. Dayan. To Tolentino. Aguilar. Last 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Hey, last 15 to shoot shot clock. Traveling violation po.
Traveling goal! Nalo ka pa!
Akala ko si Lebron James eh. Barroso. Dribbling the ball. Barroso for 3. No! Rebound by Saber Hot. Ay, red. Bola ng blue. Ay, red. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 0. Sintas niyo po. Penalty po tayo, penalty. Penalty po, penalty. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Mawalang tira. Yes, good for 1. Dayan. Wind the back. To jersey number 7. Side step. Yes, good for 2. Jersey number 7. Pass back to Dayan. Foul. Jersey number 9. Foul. Jersey number 9. Penalty na po tayo. The sniper. Yes, good for 1. Yes, good for 1. Jersey number 7, pass break to jersey number 12. Sa gitna. To jersey number 7, Pumong. Yes, good for 2. Jersey number 24. Last 52 seconds. Foul. Penalty mo tayo. Who's one left? Number 50. Jersey number 50. Graduate ka na po. Jersey number 50. Dam 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 dam. Five ball na po. Jersey number 50. Foul. Yes. Number 2. Maruso. No good. Rebound by jersey number 31. To the sniper. Sniper, brother Jan. Yes, good for 2 points. Jersey number 14. Last 20 seconds. Last 10 shot clock. Last 10 seconds. Last 4 second shot clock. Last 3 seconds. Last 1. For the fourth quarter, jersey number 7, jersey number 7, to jersey number 12, Tumira, Airport, Filipino foul, G9, jersey number 4, D, third personal foul, first team foul, Constantino, Napakagal na naman ng rebound nun. Jersey number 21, Pumake. Binigay kay Chavez, Pumake. 4 shot ni Sniper, double. Rebound by Sniper again. Jump shot niya. No good again, rebound by. Rebound by jersey number 9. Jersey number 7. To jersey number 12. Yes. Easy shot. Yes, good for 2. Jersey number 21. To jersey number 18, Chavez. Tumaala. Jersey number 21, umikot. Jersey number 7, Duwot. Block by Rick. Pancho Pumake. Jump shot niya. Yes, good for 2. Pancho. Jersey number 22, Dayan. To Chavez. Wala. Jersey number 1 to the Sniper. Why? Yes, good for 2. Jersey number 24. Chavez to Dayan. Yes, good for 2 points. Dayan. The jersey number 22, Pancho. Score natin ay 54-48. The last 15 to shoot, shot clock. Last 10 to shoot, shot clock. Last 8 to shoot. Last 5 to shoot. Yes, good for 3 points. Pancho. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Yes. Number 2. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep? Jersey number 20. Foul contact po tayo. Substitution rep? Last throw po tayo, last throw. Last throw po tayo, last throw. Last throw po tayo. Yes, good one, Barroso. To Pancho, jersey number 22. To jersey number 7. Last 14 to shoot, shot clock. Dayan. Wow! Foul, jersey number 7. Foul. Both team, parehas po kayo may dalawang timeout. Dayan, no good. Jersey number 1, Diana. No good, rebound by Diana again. To Chavez for 3. No good. Block by G. Jersey number 7, hatid ng Kobe ko Black. 14 second shot lang. Chavez. Chavez sa gitna. Jump shot niya. Board shot. Yes, good for 2. Chavez. Board shot. Jersey number 7. Oh, 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Safe on. Last 15 seconds. Shot lang. Andaya. No, good. Diba Tolentino. To Diana. Diana, jersey number 21. To the sniper. Yes, good for 2 point. Time out. Jersey number red. 3 seconds. Pancho. Score natin ay 55, 57. Pancho. Last 3 point Pancho. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Pop niya. Foul. Jersey number 0. Third personal foul. First team foul. Second team foul. Yes, good for 1. Constantino. No good, rebound by Tolentino. Good for 1 point. Constantino. Jersey number 24. Tumira sa 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 7. Traveling violation. Time out, blue. Body to ball. Dribbling the ball, Chavez. Chavez. Last 15 to shoot. Shot now. Chavez for a shot. No good. Rebound by Diana. To Chavez for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pancho to make. Yes, good for 2 points. Pancho. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Jump shot niya. No good. Rebound by jersey number 24 again. No good. Rebound by Chavez. Pumaprom, umikot to Tolentino. Five minutes. Exactly po. 5 minutes exactly.
Pares na tayo!
Foul. Jersey number 9.
Pare-parehas lang tayo! Sabihin niya, focus!
Ang score natin ay 60-55.
Focus na, focus!
Focus na, focus. Focus. Dali, focus.
Magkagaling niyo magsalita pag nasa labas eh. Focus na!
Yes, good for 2 point.
Pagka kayo nakasalang, di ba? Ganun din. Pare-pares lang tayo.
Jersey number 7
Focus.
to jersey number 9 to jersey number 7. Yeah, last 10 to shoot. Shot clock. Pancho to make. Through Andara. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 18 to jersey number 24. Yes, good for 2 points. Jersey number 22 to jersey number 7. Jersey number, yes, good for 2. Jersey number 9, Andaya. Diana. Diana. Last 15 to shoot. Shot lang. Rebound by Tolentino to the sniper. Foul. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Substitution here. Okay na ba? Okay na. Three minutes and 45 seconds for the fourth quarter. Last 15 to shoot, shot clock. Foul, jersey number 24. Jersey number 24. Second personal foul. Third team foul. No. Score natin ay 62-60. Lastro po, lastro. No good again. Di ba by Tolentino? No good. Di ba by jersey number 94. Jersey number 94, Tumala. Check by Constantino. Libre. Yes, convert 2 point. Ayan. To jersey number 94 for 3 points. No good. Rebound by Hinay. Save ball. 2 minutes and 58 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Score natin ay 60-64. Ayan. Time out! Blue. Aguilar. Last 10 to shoot, shot clock. Dumuot. Drogo, dumabay Tolentino. To Diana. Diana to jersey number 84. Tumira. Yes, for 2 points. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 22. 2 minutes, 15 seconds shot clock. Last 8 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's ball up? Jersey number 31, Diana. Wala ba? Second personal foul. Warning to penalty. Both team po. Both team. 14 to shoot. Shot clock. 14 to shoot. Shot clock.
Coach lang.
Jersey number 7. Last 10 to shoot. Shot clock. Last 3 to shoot. Last 3 seconds. Violation. Dapat tumatakot-takot pa ako dito.
Gawin mo nga.
Chavez!
Abot naman yan eh.
Chavez! Chavez for Hinay! Jersey number 94! Pumira! First shot, no good! Jersey number 7! Jersey number 7! Foul! Who's ball left? Jersey number 94! Penalty na po tayo! Penalty na! 1 minute and 35 seconds!
Third personal.
Third personal foul! Penalty!
Lapit na dyan. Mahawa na kayo.
Yes, good for 1. Aaron. Jersey number 7.
Aagunan pa naman
Yes, good for 2. Jersey number 24. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Dayan. Tolentino. Foul, foul back. Who's ball hit? Who's ball hit? Jersey number 9. Andaya. Foul. 1 minute and 32 seconds. Third personal foul. Penalty. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Tolentino. Lumabay Andaya. Pass break to Pancho. To Aguilar. No good. Patay ang butike. Lumabay Andaya. Foul. Who's ball hit? Penalty mo tayo. Aguilar. Penalty mo. Penalty. Jersey number 12. Foul. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Yes po. Yes, para sa penalty. 64-66. Ang oras na na alas 7:24. Hatid ng Katol. No good.
Brought to you by Tata.
Rujuba. Chacha. Pizza. There for 1 point. No good. Rebound by the Hinay to there. No good. Meron. Meron. To Andaya. Last 15 to shoot. Last 15 to shoot. Last 10 to shoot. Shot clock. Foul. Jersey number 0. Penalty na ba? Penalty. Fourth. Personal foul. Fourth. Warning. Penalty pala. Sorry. Penalty na pala. Yes, good for 1. Pancho. Jubay. Pianos. Last 51 seconds na muna ha. Last 51 seconds. No good. Rebound by last 47 seconds muna. Last 47 seconds. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 7. Jersey number Pancho. Pancho. Last 24 seconds. Last 23 seconds na muna. Fourth personal foul. Penalty. 64-67. Score ko natin. Favor of red jersey. No good. $64-67 po score natin. Yes, good for 1. To Chavez. Last 20 seconds. Hinay. Tumorosa for 3. No good. Rebound by. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. Ay, traveling violation. Last 9. Last 9 seconds po tayo. Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds. Last 9 seconds po tayo. Last 9 seconds. Hinay. 4-3. 3 point. Hinay. 3 point. Aguilar. Foul. Graduate. jersey number 0. Last 3 seconds po tayo. Last 3 seconds. Ang score natin ay 8, 68, 67. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng red. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng red, ha? Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng red. Isa lang po ang kalamangan ng red. Isang tira na lang po. Tatlong minuto na lang po, ha? Line violation. Di ba? Congrats po sa mga nanalo. At congrats din po sa mga nanalo pa rin.
There are so many teams to choose. The 91 Chicago Bulls, starting lineup. The 92 Bulls, back to back. 93 Bulls, first three-peat.